Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning, good night. This is Claire. Um, I haven't uploaded a video in maybe 2 weeks or so. So because I'm having problems with my recording devices, I generally record on my iPad, and somehow I pressed something and it got stuck in activation mode and I can't log in. Anyway, until that gets done, I am using this screen capture thingy. Can't use it, I think, for recording videos, cooking videos, or baking videos. But I have a new little friend, and it's a little camcorder, and I'm trying to figure it out how to use it. Also to edit, you got to edit these videos most of the time. So, and oh, by the way, first time on camera, FaceTime, so to speak, on camera. I generally am behind the camera doing something, baking, cooking, and I don't show my face. So this is the first time I'm showing my face. Anyway, so just this is just to let you know I've not abandoned you. I'm still here. I have lots of recipes coming up for the upcoming holidays. Maybe a stuffed chicken, roast chicken. I'm gonna do beef, of course. Roast beef, rice and peas, rice and gungo, or something like that. You have Thanksgiving coming up, and then there's Christmas. And most of the time, we choose a different meat for each holiday, but we always spread a big table with lots of different things. So of course I'm gonna bring that put those videos on my channel here. Also, I'd like to know if you have a recipe that you'd like and for me to make. I make a lot of different videos, not just Jamaican food. I live in America. I've lived here for 30 odd years now, and I make a lot of different, our taste change a little bit when we come here, that we adapt to new things. Some things I've never adapted to, but anyway, I have a couple recipes that I want and some drinks. We're gonna do some drinks for the holidays or for any time. Gonna do a few mixes, drink mixes, liquor with liquor. I don't drink liquor much, but of course I make anything. So let me know if there's a video you would like to see me do. As long as it's doable, I'll let you know. Please comment below this video and let me know what recipe you'd like to see. I have something that I created. It's a mixture of two different, it's kind of like a rundown recipe with codfish, but it's totally different. Got the idea when I went to a restaurant and tasted codfish in a totally different format. And I thought I'd make I'm gonna make it. It's a Brazilian restaurant, and I didn't know codfish and coconut milk could taste like that. Anyway, I'm gonna create something for myself. I also have another video. I'm gonna call it fish in drawers. It's a pastry. So anyway, that's why I'm here today. I am also gonna do a contest. So I want to run a contest for when I get between I'll say 150 subscribers. So please comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what, if anything, you want me to make for you, and what is it that it brings you to my channel, what you like about it or what you don't like about it, so I can make changes to suit because I do it for you. I like to cook and bake, and I've always done this, but I came up with the idea last year. Oh, I'm gonna start putting my recipes on YouTube, and I got scared, got shy, and then this year I started again. So I'm going to continue with my videos. So please subscribe. And when you subscribe, you get a note in your email that I have uploaded a new video. All right, so back to the giveaway. I want to give away 3 months of Netflix, but it's going to be a random drawing. Maybe I'll have a second prize. I'll see. It's going to be random from the subscriber list. So please comment and say something. Comment below this video. Say you want to be in the contest or something, because a lot of you, I can't see your information because you hide all those things on YouTube. So unless you comment, some of you, I'm not going to see you as my subscriber. So I'm going to figure out everything. I'm trying to learn everything. So that is the gist of that for now. If you have anything, as I said, you want me to make a recipe, please comment below. And thanks for watching all my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you.